Hello guys, welcome back to RG Coding Tips. I've got something exciting to share with you all today. I have just created a brand new GitHub repository focused on HTML and CSS tips and tricks for all the building web developers out there. So this repository, I'm going to show it to you guys. So here is the GitHub repository, and inside this repository, I have added some projects according to a number of list items. So inside this web development repo, you can find a ton of valuable insights, coding techniques, and project items that can help you to level up your web development skills. So we can see inside this Power newsletter, we can see this code. So I'm going to give the links in the description, guys. Make sure you check out this repository. Whether you're starting your coding journey or looking to enhance your existing skills, this repository has something for everyone, and it's a treasure trove of HTML and CSS tips and tricks. So if you are ready to dive into the world of HTML and CSS or web development and supercharge your coding skills, head over to this repository and make sure you also support this Python Basics for Beginners complete course in Manipuri. So this is going to be a complete Python course. So I'm going to upload videos one by one in the near future. So make sure you check out this one also. And so all these video tutorials will also have this blog section. I have made this website just for you guys. So you can come out to this website. You can go to this blog part. And then you can go inside this Python programming blogs. And you can check out the complete Python programming blog post here. So you can just search for RG's blog in the Google and you are good to go. And I'm going to give the links for these HTML, CSS tips, also for this playlist and also for this blog post. So make sure you check out this and keep supporting my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates. Happy coding, and I will see you in the next video.